Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting the sugars from apples, which turns them into acetic acid, the active ingredient in vinegar. In the shops you may see apple cider vinegar labeled as filtered, a clear liquid, or unfiltered ones, which contains something known as mother. This means there are proteins, enzymes and friendly bacteria present, which gives this type of vinegar a cloudy appearance. Other fruits may be used to create flavored cider vinegar. The base of the vinegar will usually be apple with fruits, such as raspberries, added during manufacture. Apple cider vinegar doesn't really contain any vitamins or minerals, other than a very small amount of potassium, calcium and magnesium. There isn't enough research at the moment to demonstrate that buying the mother variety is any better for you than buying filtered. However, apple cider vinegar does contain amino acids and antioxidants, which benefits your body in several ways, as we are about to see in this video. Before we continue, please consider subscribing to this channel for more natural healing tips in the future. Number 1. Regulates blood sugar. There have been several studies that demonstrate how vinegar can help improve insulin sensitivity, that is, how much insulin someone needs to lower blood sugar levels after eating, when drunk with a high carbohydrate meal. Research published by the American Diabetes Association found that taking 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed can reduce blood sugar. Number 2. Weight loss. Apple cider vinegar may help you lose weight. Harvard Medical School experts point to information that suggests a possible link between vinegar and weight loss. They explain that apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been found to reduce absorption of starches and which slows digestion. This leads to a sensation of a full stomach, which restrains you from frequent meals. Number 3. Removes dandruff. Apple cider vinegar may also help your scalp. The acidity of apple cider vinegar could alter the pH level on your scalp, making it a harder environment for dandruff conditions to set in. Mix 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar with 1/4 cup water in a spray bottle, and spritz on your scalp. Wrap your head in a towel and let sit for 15 minutes to an hour, then wash your hair as usual. Do this twice a week for optimal results. Number 4. Clears acne. Apple cider vinegar is a natural toner that can act as a natural home remedy for acne. Its antibacterial properties may help keep acne under control. The malic and lactic acids found in apple cider vinegar might help soften and exfoliate skin, reduce red spots, and balance the pH of your skin. Make sure to do a spot test on your skin first, as it might cause skin irritation in some people. Number 5. Leg cramps. Leg cramps can often be a sign that you're low in potassium. Since one of the many apple cider vinegar benefits is that it contains potassium, one home remedy suggests mixing 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon honey to a glass of warm water, then drinking to relieve nighttime leg cramps. Keep in mind that large amounts of apple cider vinegar may actually lower potassium levels, so use in moderation. Number 6. Bad breath. If proper brushing and mouthwash don't do the trick, try the home remedy of using apple cider vinegar to control bad breath. Dilute some with water, then gargle with it or drink a teaspoon. This may kill odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. Number 7. Nail health. Thanks to its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, apple cider vinegar is used as a natural treatment for healthier nails. People have traditionally used vinegar for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. If you have rough or cracked heels or mild fungal nail infections, apple cider vinegar can be used as a foot soak to get rid of these. Number 8. Tooth whitening. For stubborn tooth stains, rub apple cider vinegar directly on your teeth, then rinse with water. Be careful not to do this too often, as it can break down tooth enamel. For a less abrasive whitening mouthwash, mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water, then swish around in your mouth. Number 9. Cardiovascular health. Several studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can reduce bad cholesterol levels in the body and lead to a better triglyceride balance. This results in a reduced risk of developing heart disease along with a potential reduction in blood pressure. Number 10. Helps digestion. Drinking apple cider vinegar can help regulate the amount of acid in your stomach, which leads to easier digestion. Like other fermented foods, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar contains healthy bacteria, the gut-friendly bacteria that helps to keep your digestive system working properly. Number 11. Detoxifies the liver. Apple cider vinegar flushes the liver, improving its natural blood filtration processes and increasing energy levels. Number 12. Bone health. Apple cider vinegar boasts the unique ability of helping your body absorb vital minerals like calcium, which aids in growing strong bones and maintaining bone density as you age. Number 13. Acid reflux. The curse of acid reflux and heartburn can be both an annoying and painful meal companion. Apple cider vinegar's powerful ability to balance pH levels in the body with its naturally occurring enzymes and probiotics can lend itself towards resetting the acid balance in your stomach. And the last in this list is, number 14, Candida. Candida is a chronic yeast disorder. Everyone has Candida albicans in their gut. It works to digest sugar. But when you have too much of a sweet tooth, things can get out of hand. Some symptoms of Candida include bad breath, exhaustion, joint pain and digestive problems. It can really lower your quality of life by draining your energy. Apple cider vinegar is a natural remedy against the disorder. It has antifungal properties and contain enzymes to regulate Candida levels. In general, consuming small amounts of apple cider vinegar is considered safe and can benefit your health greatly. However, many doctors suggest that you don't consume more than 8 ounces per day because it has been linked to a few side effects, like low potassium levels, which can cause muscle cramps or weakness, and if it gets extreme can be dangerous. If you have any type of chronic health condition, it is wise to consult your doctor before deciding to supplement with it. If you liked this video, please do consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel for more health tips. Wish you great health.